Yeah. Rest in peace to my little nigga, Pop. You know what I mean? Yeah. Rest in peace to Pop. Bitch niggas did them dirty, bitch niggas left them shot. Best believe my nigga I stay hot, and I just doing what I wanted to do. I stay true. I'm hot like a lighter. Best believe my nigga just trying to reveal real shit with skill. Motherfucker get shit poppin' like pills. When I'm still coming through, nigga ride with fifth wheels, nigga. I'm talking about the chrome in the back when I'm riding in the lack. These niggas get jacked at the stoplight, and I'm coming through, nigga. I stop to fight. Motherfucker, yes, I stop to see the light from the guns or the tools when they sparking. When these niggas see me after dark, nigga coming with the larkin. Best believe, nigga, all you hear was dogs barking, Rottweilers and such. Yes, these niggas get touched when I'm coming smoking like the Dutch. Best believe, my nigga, yes, just a head rush.
It's a head rush. I'm about to get on this bitch and straight gush like a gush in your mouth. I'm a bust and I'm out. Then I kick out the house and go sleep on my couch cause the sheets got nut on them. I'm a motherfucking beast, you out of luck, homie. Wanna step to me, I'm strapped down like a referee. No bristle, but homeboy, I'm official. I'm gangster to the bone bristle. And I don't think you won't get with me. You probably won't get with her. She find it in the motherfucker, yeah, I know cuz. But I'm about to have to kick her up out my rover, no chauffeur. I got my vest and my motherfucking pistol, and I dare one of you bitch niggas to try and get with me. I'm a pistol rip you, and then I'ma shoot you to kill you. Nigga, I got a license to kill, I'm so gorilla. Out that city, that 337, I'm sending niggas to hell of heaven. It's your choice, you decide. I'm about to straight pull a lyrical homicide, suicide, suicide. Who gon' ride? You gon' ride. You gon' die if you come across my side talking that shit. You about to get set on like cowhide. I will not hide. I'm on the block, no disguise. What you wanna do? High hater, bye hater. You about to be sent to the sky, hater, or under my feet. I won't run, but I'm coming with deep. I mean, I'm coming with a jungle with me, and all my animals gangster to the T.
Yeah, we gangster to the T, cause we running in these streets like I'm running with my cliques. Best believe, nigga, I'm coming with my team, and my team stay clean, sorta like Irish Spring. Yeah, I ain't talking about soap, I'm talking real shit. I ain't talking about jokes. Nah, this ain't no comic view, but shit, nigga, I see the comic in you, cause y'all niggas is through.
Yeah, it's sweet like he said. Nigga, you would get egg like a loaf of bread. That's real quick, in less than a week, less than you need. I'm stepping on top of you, you ain't stepping on me. Nigga, I'ma be reppin' my street, and where I be is 4 foes, nigga, 800 Street. You better get it right, don't get it twisted. My niggas go ballistic, we eat niggas like grits.
Eat niggas like grits, and I'm still coming through, nigga, flipping bricks, and I'm beating shit sorta like the damn commode. And I told you, yes, I stay fucking cold, sorta like the North Pole. Best believe, my nigga, y'all niggas is played out sorta like South Pole. Yes, the clothes, y'all niggas is hoes. And on this track, I'm like the Texas boys, I'm getting throwed.
You getting throwed like a pass in the NFL. Nigga, you is about to get put a spell on you for fucking with this one lot. I'm a wardrobe. All I want to say.
Nigga, see me, pay me well, before I leave you in the trunk stuck with JB Webb. I'm talking about real shit, automatics while I'm shifting gets, nigga, coming with the plastic, coming with the tools, yes, shit is getting drastic. Niggas not breathing, niggas left leaking from the shit that I'm speaking. Best believe, my nigga, that's like I'm preaching, you can call me the deacon.
Hold this down, so I'm coming back. Let me go.